Today we are going to design a logo for World Trip International. This is a travel agency and we will start with some references and Indigo logo, Trip Lovers logo and Guria Go Your Way logo, and we have to start with the Guria logo according to our client's demand. We have to make this G letter, W letter of World Trip International. So let's start designing. First of all, as we need to keep it the same, but it should be W letter. So we will have that in focus. Let's start designing. And we can design like this. So this looks like W, but not 100% accurate, but we can do something with that by playing with the design. Just trying to adjust it, and it's much great, but needs to adjust more. Like this, you can see how I'm using the points from the above. Okay, and we need to adjust it like this. So it will look like this right now, and now we have to add an paper plane here. Let's add the paper plane from here. And adjust it. Like this. So this is how I have completed the rough sketch or rough design of W and paper plane. And now we have to work on it to make it look like great for the design. And for this part I'm using this pen tool again and trying to make it more like well proportionate the design. Okay, let's see if it works or not. Just fill it with the white color to check if it works or not. It looks cool, so we can just delete this extra part from here. Before that I have to just select all these, unite, and now just delete. Okay, now it looks great here, but maybe we can do some more adjustments. You can see like this. How I'm using the pen tool, direct selection tool, you can learn from here a lot of important lessons if you want to. There are a lot of tricks to design which we know from these types of designs, where we are showing our live design process. without any edits. So there is nothing like perfect. You have to see it, learn from it, and design. So now it looks like this, and maybe we need to adjust the paper plane a little more so that it looks great. Now it's a W letter. It's a W letter right now, with some manual adjustments like this. So I think this W is much better than the previous one, and we will now move with this one. So unite it, Control C, Control F, object path, offset path, and just make it as bigger as possible. Make sure it's round and okay. So just bring it to back, and this looks like this. And if there is any points, like you can see there is multiple points, so just simplify it. Now again go to object path, offset path, and just do a little less offset path as it's ruining our design. I think this is okay to go. I just deleted by pressing backspace, and you can see that this is how it's looking like from this one to this one. It was G letter and now it's a W letter. So just bring it like this, so like this, and now we can place something here. So let's see what we can do. We have first icon like this, and we will just design one more icon which also have the same vibe but different thing. So let's just start with the W letter, just fill it with the color, and now we have to make this paper plane look like this one. Okay, just delete the paper plane from here and unite it. Delete the anchor points from here and just do like this. Okay, now we have to draw a shape with the pen tool, just like this. Just follow my designs here, and you can see how it looks. Just see the process. I'm increasing the stroke size, making it from the width of 1, and this is how it looks like now. Object, expand appearance, object, path, offset path, and do it a little like 15 or something like that, maybe 8, no, maybe 6. Okay, 6 pixel is still not the perfect one, maybe 4. Okay, so now this will just look like, how will I say you, for example, if I try to explain, I have just deleted this part, and for this part, and for this again this part. So this is how it looks like right now, and it feels like it's a W and T letter. Okay, it feels like W and T letter, but we can make it one more letter, International, from here. Just cutting it out, so it feels like W, T and I letter here, if you focus on it. And now it's time to add the paper plane again. So let's just take the paper plane from here to here. and this will be a multi meaningful logo from here. So here you can see the eye look like this, and we have to make it more like cooler look. So I'm just using these points. So it looks like WI and T later. Okay, so now there is also one icon. So just go like this and unite it. Now object path, offset path, and do the same thing we did for the first one. Just unite it, sorry, Control C, Control F, object path, offset path. Okay, now just unite it. After uniting it, just see if there is any extra point, just simplify it and delete unnecessary anchor points. Like here you can see unnecessary anchor point, not unnecessary anchor points, but it's creating a not a smooth version. So we have made it. Control Shift left third bracket to make it go back, and now it looks like this. So we have these two icon right now from that one. This resembles W, I and T later, and with the fingerprint icon. So hopefully you will love this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till here. We will come back with a new video soon.